guys, it's JP Fluellen, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about the risks of relying on appreciation for returns. So, what does this mean? If you're buying a house and you just live there and you're wearing it down, that could put your appreciation at risk because the house was at a certain value when you bought it, and now it's becoming even more wear and more run down, and you just might not get those returns because appreciation isn't necessarily just a gift. You have to keep your property in line with what is expected in your current market. Okay, so don't get me wrong, you're gonna get some appreciation just because houses just become more and more expensive as time goes on, because we invented this snowball in the real estate world where the house's value is based on the next house that's sold. And so because we're a comparative market where we compare our homes to the other homes that have sold, so there is a little bit of like gifted value, but not as much as you'd think, especially if you don't update the home as you go along. So what you got to consider is that homes really need to be updated, new carpet, new paint, light fixtures, you know, like you're flipping the house, but you don't have to like do all the work right away. You just want to kind of do it as you go along. Now, on top of that, there are some renovations that could actually hurt you in terms of your value, and it may not appreciate because it's very specialized, or you know, you have a very specific color choice because you like, you know, chartreuse or something, or you like, you know, a lot of canary yellow. And those things could actually hurt you because then whoever's looking at your property would want to change those things. So there's just so many little things that you got to consider when you're trying to like get the most appreciation out of your home. And again, like I said, it's not a gift. It is something that you have to kind of earn. If you want top dollar, then you've got to keep your property at what is comparable or beyond that. But you don't want to over specialize. So one of the mistakes we see a lot is someone will come in and there's maybe 2 small bedrooms upstairs, and then combine the bedrooms. And actually that hurts the value, even though from a function standpoint, it might feel like, oh, well, you know, it's got a nice big master and this huge custom bath and all these things. But now you've just eliminated the possibility of maybe a larger family wanting to move in there because now there's no privacy. You might have to like get creative or whatever. And now you're, from a function standpoint, that makes the property even more difficult. If you want more tips and tricks on what are the right renovations to get the maximum amount of appreciation out of your property, shoot me a DM, hit me up, and I'm happy to explore options. And if you're in the Cheyenne market, or if you're in the Springfield market, let me know. I'm happy to help. And that's Springfield, Missouri, by the way, because there's like 14 Springfields in the US. So happy to help, happy to give you some direction, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.